What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, this is a big night. Not only is tonight the Ford TAKEOVER pre-meet, but we've got some very special guests in town that we are going to hook up with right now. So let's get this party started right now. People here, yo. Just a few people here. What's up? What? Who is this guy? Who is this guy?
What's going on?
What's up?
I don't know it.
Just like Mustang people
good.
everywhere. Thank you.
Damn.
Let me park this thing. Introduction to the Brutal Vlogs, two-tone GT. Dude, we just need to swap, man.
Yeah, you don't want this thing.
God, I love it, man.
Yeah, she's come a long way. It was in shambles whenever we got it, as you know. So we still got some work to do, but overall,
I mean, it just, I love the seats.
Yeah.
As you can see in my car, I need the seats big time.
Yeah, budget seats. So we got those out of a 6-cylinder, I think. Paid $300 for them.
Heck yeah, that's.
And we're not done.
Awesome.
It's filthy.
Stance is right. What do you
Yeah,
get? 275 40s? Yep.
That's right.
Yep. Yep.
So under here, nothing is finished yet by any means. It's filthy, but it's just all stock.
Yes, sir.
Got to get rid of this. That's got to go.
Yep.
We'll put the stock air box back in it, but it's just a B cam. Nothing much to it.
See, I always thought that the stock air box with a panel filter and like a Pro-Am and maybe a C&L elbow was like a good setup. You know, it wouldn't heat soak and.
Yeah, and that's the problem with these things. I mean, as you know, people buy them and they think that they're so much better, but they heat soak through the metal.
Yeah, exactly.
And most of the time, they just have the filter right here. So, yeah, you don't need that. There's no benefit to that whatsoever. So I just want to put the stock air box back in it, clean everything up, respray the intake, and we've not painted. So at some point, the engine will come out, and whenever it does, that's whenever we'll paint everything to match.
Spray the bay. See, it's, what's totally hilarious is my bay is the only thing painted on my car, and his bay is not painted.
I probably did it backwards, but it's okay.
So the exterior of his car looks gorgeous, and the outside of mine looks like hell, and vice versa on his car. So it is what it is.
I always go about it the opposite way I should. But hey, on this next one though, we are going to do it right. We're going to do the engine bay first, and then we're going to paint everything.
Do the bay first.
Yeah.
It still looks good though. Hey, and I got a fix for your battery tray. Did you watch my last upload?
Did.
You didn't watch the last upload? Oh my
God.
God.
We're on the road.
That's it. We're out of here. We're out of here.
Busted.
No, dude, it looks phenomenal. It looks phenomenal.
Yeah, it's it's not a perfect car, but hey, this is the working man's Fox.
Exactly. But it's a two-tone.
Yes,
that's the thing.
That's the thing. Oh, did you hold on? Did you see my upload on Instagram about what happened to me?
Yeah, I saw the gator, the alligator stuff.
I can't even get you on.
Hey,
that.
we're not even. Yeah, we haven't even got to the Arctic fox yet. So yeah, just bear with us, guys.
But so far, I mean, that's where it hit right there. So we were able to get all that off. But it actually messed my wheel up. So the tire come in and messed up the wheel. And then up front, I hate to even show you this, but
kind of got the bumper a little bit.
Yeah, it's not too, but it just, it spider webbed it pretty bad. But we had already saved this, so it had a lot of primer and filler in it.
Gotcha.
So whenever it hit, paint stuck for the most part. But anyway, we're gonna redo all that.
Yeah.
So
man,
what happens.
Oh well, yeah. Either way, guys, cars just making me look bad. Jeez. So, and of course, the recent paint job, the Arctic Fox, dude.
Arctic Fox.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and as with all of our cars, everything is a work in progress.
Oh yeah.
This thing is not been sanded and polished out yet, except for a couple spots here and there.
Yeah.
And you can tell it on the hood. It's a little dull on the roof. We just didn't have time. But
it's still slick though.
Yeah, it's a pretty slick car. Overall, we're pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
We painted this thing. We painted it inside the booth first time inside my dad's garage, and then we come back and had to spray half the car again outside.
Sure.
So
And the Terminator wheels look fantastic on it. I mean,
it gives it a good clean look.
it really does.
We just wanted to go simple on this one, so
It really does.
this is really the only eyesore. This
Yeah.
is pretty rough.
I think we all need quarter glasses and some trim of some sort.
Yeah, we do.
But that's just part of life, guys. You know what? You deal with something and then you move on to something else. Because if you sit and look at all of our cars, you'll get discouraged because they need something. They all need a little something.
Every one of them needs a little something.
But man, God, that looks good. All right, guys, so clearly it is gonna be a freaking amazing time. So far, we just got a few people here meeting up, waiting on some other folks. But we got Ken and Mustang Mike 740. Mustang Mike 740 over there. Ken? Who's that? Zach's. Okay, that's Zach's car. And then, of course, we got the Brutal Vlogs mobile. We got Andrew's car. I mean, my God, y'all. Seriously, do we need anybody else here?
I don't know.
I mean,
I don't know if we need anybody else.
we
I think
don't.
we got it all.
Got everybody here, right?
Dude, we got Speed Addict 731.
Oh, you got me here. Yeah.
I mean,
Black Knight Mustang. Where
yes,
you at?
Where you
yes,
at?
exactly,
I think he's eating
exactly.
Chinese.
He said he's eating Chinese food,
We
so
don't like Chinese anyway.
guys,
Black Knight.
stay tuned. There might be a Black Knight Mustang lifestyle sighting. Ken, send him a message, call him,
Real dude, real dude.
and we gotta hear his exhaust.
Dude, that thing is loud.
We gotta hear it. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at that rock star. Oh, don't hit my car. Look at that. I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. Dude, you came all the way up for the event?
I'm in the lead. I'm in the lead here to take that right there.
Okay.
You know, take that one and this. These two right here.
I had to tell Ken all week, yes, you were actually coming. He kept calling, is Ant really coming? I said, yes, he's coming.
That's what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna do it.
And he has been upset all week. I said, Ken, he is coming. Jeez Louise. See, you feel better now?
Mike, what's up, brother? So when we going to the next spot?
Here in a little bit. Yeah. But are you staying here or no?
I'm ready over here, man.
Okay.
I'm in the red room.
Okay. Yeah, we're not. It doesn't start. We'll probably head over there about 5:30 or so.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we're just chilling right now. All right, y'all. We are fixing to get out of here. We got the whole crew back there. We're leaving the pre-meet and we are headed to the actual pre-meet. If that made any sense. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are actually at the official,
Well, there's always one person that does that. It's got to hide from the camera.
we're at the official pre-meet. As you can see, Ken, his car is here. He's good to go. And he's a little slow, but he made it.
It didn't take as long as we thought.
No, not at all. Ken got the car all cleaned up and it's awesome. Love it. But
Never spin around this guy.
we got Pony 92 here with the Coyote swap, which we'll go over and check that out in a minute. And Gary's here. And man, we just got all kinds of people. And we're still like 30 minutes from things actually starting. But guys, I actually do have to admit, I noticed a small spot of coolant real quick. Yeah, I know. That's the issue. If you look right there, somehow the hose has shifted and it's been rubbing on my power steering fluid. Hold on, that's Cody. Let's see what's up.
But you know what? Even for us, though,
True.
It was 7.5 hours for us. So, yeah, I can understand. So,
I broke it up a little bit. I stopped at the Corvette Museum. So
Okay, yeah, good times, good times.
yeah, we broke it up too with
went and looked at
problems
some-
and issues.
There's the car right
I
there.
looked at some curves.
Let's see, there's the car right there.
So that's
All the way from Michigan. Yep. So I think we have the long distance award.
Road gators like I did.
All the way from Michigan. Are you on Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram name?
G-Funk Express 1.
G-Funk Express 1. So make sure you go and follow him. Drove all the way from Michigan in the Fox. What do you think, bro? I think he got the long distance award.
Absolutely.
I think he did.
Absolutely got the award. That's crazy. That's dedication. I love it.
Yeah, we got to show off the ride too.
Clean, guys. Look at this. Man.
Very nice.
Black interior.
Yep. It's got to be a 90 model.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's an LX. The guy I bought it from.
Really?
Yeah. Look at the front grille.
Oh man.
Show it up.
This thing is
Okay, okay, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
Nice.
The guy I bought it from put the Cobra kit on it. The Celine wing. I'm kind of over that thing though.
Yeah.
But you know,
They're classic. I don't know.
retro. If you're into it, you know.
Yeah.
Well, it's been shaking all these years, and it's starting to chip and
Yeah.
crack and stuff. And not only that, when I rubbed it out, you know, with compound and everything, you could see the holes where the next one was.
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's Cobra kit. I might as well put a Cobra wing on it. You know?
Hey, you gonna park that thing or what?
I don't know where to park. Where you going?
Right here, right there. Man, that thing's pretty. Damn. But yeah, guys, I think unless somebody else came farther than Michigan, I think you get the winner, dude. Definitely think you got the winner. Bro, you gotta be in the video too, man.
We're in the video.
Like,
too.
how often are we gonna be able to do this?
Yeah, that's
like
true.
once or twice a year. All right, guys. So this is my buddy Cameron Cruz, and we first met at Foxtoberfest in 16, and he had a nice GT. Ended up getting wrecked, but anyway, we've been in contact ever since. And he told me, wow, it's been several months. You said, well, I'm gonna bring mine as or can I bring it as a shell?
Yep.
And I was like, yeah, whatever. I thought you were just joking. Okay, well, guys, here it is.
Yeah.
It is a shell, and here it is on the rotisserie. That's a nice rotisserie too, by the way. That's heavy duty. All right, guys. So as you can see behind me, we are kicking off the actual full pre-meet, and it is a blast out here. I mean, we've got cars for every type of whatever you like. Doesn't matter if you like Foxes, you like S197s, S550s. I mean, they're all here. There's Ken's car right there. And there's Alex. Alex just pulled up. I mean, we are having a blast out here. Doesn't matter what generation Mustang you love, it's out here. All right, y'all, so the pre-meet is an absolute blast out here. Sorry, I got the trailer just so I could kind of get a few of the rides out here. But, man, talk about a great time. Tons of cars. You got more over here. Cars, folks, everybody just talking and standing here looking at the slow coyote swap right here. But yeah, guys, that is what is popping off. Been a great freaking night. And I had to go ahead and end it a little bit early because it's going to get dark soon, and you know, then you wouldn't be able to see anything. So that is what is up. I appreciate everybody coming out. We got people from Michigan, we got people from Louisiana, Alabama, absolutely freaking everywhere. We even got people bringing shells, as you got to see earlier. So, yep, absolutely freaking awesome night. Again, huge thank you to everybody that came out and made this what it is. Again, it's been such a freaking awesome time. I can't thank y'all enough. Battled the weather a little bit, but it's all good. So, yeah, it's all good. I think I said that already. Anyway, thanks everyone again, and we'll see you tomorrow at the Ford Takeover. Later.